Check engine and VSC lights on your Toyota dashboard. It might look serious, but don't rush to the mechanic just yet. In this video, I'll show you how to fix and reset them yourself, step by step, and get your car back on the road safely. Number 1. A loose or damaged gas cap. This is the easiest to fix, just make sure your gas cap is tightened properly. If you notice any cracks or damage, replace it. Number 2. A faulty oxygen sensor. This sensor measures how much oxygen is in your exhaust. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for fault codes. If the oxygen sensor is bad, it needs to be replaced. Number 3. A dirty or faulty mass airflow sensor. This sensor measures the air going into your engine. Cleaning it with a special moss cleaner can help, but if it's damaged, replacement is the way to go. Number 4. Leaks in the evap system. This system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the air. Often, loose hoses or a faulty purge valve cause leaks that trigger warning lights. And finally, number 5. The VSC off button or brake system glitches. Check the VSC off button near your gear shifter. If it's stuck or shorted, the VSC light may stay on. Once you've fixed the underlying issue, it's time to reset the warning lights. Option 1 is to use an OBD2 scanner. Just plug it in, scan for fault codes, and hit Clear Codes. This usually turns off both the check engine and VSC lights instantly. If you don't have a scanner, here's option 2, the battery reset method. Simply disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 minutes. Then reconnect it, start your car, and drive for about 15 minutes. This can reset the lights if the problem is fixed. Just remember, if the lights come back on after resetting, it means the root issue hasn't been fully resolved yet. Now, if you're getting specific trouble codes like P0171, P0420, or anything related to fuel-air ratio or the catalytic converter, it's best to have a professional mechanic take a look. But for most Toyota owners, fixing a simple gas cap, cleaning or replacing sensors, and clearing codes with a scanner is all you need to get those lights off. That's how you fix and reset the check engine and VSC lights on most Toyota models. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, drop your Toyota model and any codes in the comments, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow car repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.